Hey guys, we received this RiteHold hydraulic boxing boards for test and try. So there's a building kit with two hydraulic powered battle fighting robots as a dinosaur toys. So you can see like they're punching up and down, side movement, and the two kits can play with each other with the fighting these dinosaur. So you have to build this to make fun. So it's a really nice one for the kids on the summers. It comes in this nice box, and all these different parts and things, and you have to of course assemble that first to play with it. And this take time and skills for the kids, and yeah, of course, like it's a great time consuming activity for the kids with the pipes and things. And so I will not suggest to cut the pipes. So you have to be very careful. You have to only mark based on the manual. So we did a little bit mistake with that, but just mark it, don't cut it, and use the pipes directly to give a nice length from the remote. So all these parts you can see, and you can make these different parts very nice crisp design, easy to assemble, like with the parts and instruction. Of course, first time is always difficult, but you can easily do it. So kids need some supervision, but it's easy to use parts. And see like the rotation, everything is so smooth. The parts can be cut very easily, and they can move with the legs and the things. So this is the hydraulic system that comes, and you have to assemble that product. So with the push of this injection or the syringes, these things will move. So there are like the different remote things with the squat stand, straight punch, uppercut, and squat stand with the move. So you have to do that with the different functions and the different things. And the hydraulic things need some adjustment sometimes, but of course you can learn those things and you can practice. That's how this time consuming things with the swing up to 40-degree and the squat stand and move. So they are the tires in the small wheels in the legs, so they can move easily. So better to put it on a table or the flat surface so that it can move. So once they are ready, you can see like all these different functions, like the punch, the uppercut, lower cut, and then the smart boxing thing. So with the up and down function also I will show, and it's really great to move. So all these two different robots can fits and the fight, and you can also change the face. There are two type of faces that come, so you can replace the face, and once the face is down, they will just turn in the back. It's really fun for the kids as well, and you can see like you can move the robots, and also like they can fight with the things in the side. So various functions, and the various move, so you have to learn, and the kids have to learn and make this. So like this punching, and as I said, like you can choose two different head shapes. So pretty nice, fun fighting, fun making it, and the kids like the up and down features, see like as well. And then you can move and you can fight. Yes, it's not like a one day thing. You need some time and you need to practice, and also like the shape and the size that you have to move. Real fun for the kids with a nice robot.